Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Chemistry for class फर्स्ट ईयर ऑल सिंध बोर्ड्स बाय इस्माइल ख़ान। आज हम लोग बाकायदा केमिस्ट्री का आगाज़ करेंगे चैप्टर 1 से। पहला टॉपिक मोल पढ़ेंगे हम लोग। ग्राम एटॉमिक मासेस और ग्राम मॉलिक्यूलर मासेस आर कॉल्ड वन मोल। इस जुमले का मतलब क्या है ये बड़े आसानी से आप लोगों को समझ में आ जाएगा। ग्राम एटॉमिक मासेस और ग्राम मॉलिक्यूलर मासेस आर कॉल्ड वन मोल। इसका मतलब नीचे मैंने रेड लाइन पे लिखा है, मोलर मास ऑफ एनी सब्सटेंस वन मोल ऑफ दैट सब्सटेंस के इक्वल होता है। फॉर एग्जांपल हम लिखते हैं 18 ग्राम ऑफ H2O। 18 gram is the molar mass of H2O, therefore 18 gram of H2O is equal to 1 mole। फॉर एग्जाम्पल हम लोग लिखते हैं 44 ग्राम of CO2। 44 gram is the molar mass of CO2, therefore it is equal to 1 mole। There are 12 gram of carbon। 12 gram is the atomic mass or molar mass of carbon, therefore it is equal to 1 mole। If we double 18 gram of H2O means 36 gram of H2O, then it will be equal to 2 moles। You see 36 gram H2O, 2 moles H2O। 88 gram H2O, 2 moles H2O। 3 gram carbon, 0.25 mole gram of carbon। लेट्स मूव अहेड। फार्मूला पढ़ते हैं। फार्मूला क्या है? मोल इज इक्वल टू गिवन मास अपॉन मोलर मास। इफ मास इज गिवन, so we call mass as a given mass. If mass is not given, then we find mass by this formula, mole multiplied by molar mass. How it is obtained? Molar mass is multiplied by mole, we get mass. So these are the formula involved in calculating mole or mass. Consider some examples on the next page. How many moles are there in 90 gram? Here given mass is 90, molar mass of H2O 18, so we have to calculate mole given mass, molar mass, given mass upon molar mass. Given mass is 90 divided by 18, we get 5 moles। Now come to the another example. How many grams are there in 3 moles of H2SO4? When we calculate mass, we multiply mole by molar mass, mole by molar mass. Molar mass of H2SO4 is 98 gram. 3 multiplied by 98, because we get H2SO4. Let's see. H means 1 2 the 2, S means 32, O4 means 64, 16 multiplied by 4. So when we add these all things, we get 98 gram. The molar mass by multiplying this 294 gram is the mass of 3 moles of H2SO4. Now comes to Avogadro's number. 1 mole of any substance always contains 6.02 raised power 23 molecule. This number is called Avogadro's number and it is denoted by Na. Number of molecule can be calculated by this formula: mole multiplied by Avogadro's number. Mole is equal to given mass upon molar mass, so therefore number of molecules can also be written by using this formula. Number of molecules can be obtained by using this formula: given mass upon molar mass multiplied by Avogadro's number. These two formulas are used for calculating number of molecules, number of atoms, number of ions. How many molecules are there in 5 moles of CO2? Very easy. Number of molecules equal to mole multiplied by Avogadro's number. Mole we have 5 and Avogadro number is 6.02 10 power. We just multiply these two, we get 30.10 multiplied by 23 molecules. How many atoms are there in 36 gram? Then now we use formula number 2 because we have given mass. How many mass we have given? Given mass is 36, molar mass of carbon is 12. When we divided this, we get 3. 3 is multiplied by 6.02, we get 18.06 10 power 23 molecules. Molar volume is the last topic of today. 1 mole of gas contains 22.4 dm cube. 22.4 dm cube at STP. 22.4 dm cube of volume is called molar volume. How volume is calculated? Volume is calculated mole by molar mass. And how mole is obtained? Given volume upon molar volume, we get mole. These are the formula used. What is the volume of 3 moles of CH4? Formula we use here: mole multiplied by molar volume. 3 mole multiplied by 22.4, we get 3 4 the 12, 3 to the 6 7, 3 to the 6 dm cube. What is the volume of 80 gram of CH4? First we convert this 80 gram into mole, then we multiply mole by molar volume. Mole given mass upon molar mass. Given mass is 80, molar mass is 16, so we get 5 moles. Now come to the volume. Mole multiplied by molar volume. Mole is 5, molar volume is 22.4. 5 4 the 20, so we get 0. 5 to the 10, 12, 5 to the 10, 8. We get 112.11 dm cube of CH4 when 80 grams from the 80 gram of CH4. In the last we have self-assessment question. You will have to do yourself. First question is: how many atoms are there in 45 gram of H2O? Here we have to calculate number of atoms. What number of atoms? Here we have to calculate number of atoms. Here given mass is 45, molar mass is 18. Given upon molar mass multiplied by Avogadro number, we get number of atoms. How many moles are there in 50? It is given volume. Divide this given volume upon molar volume, we get number of moles. How many molecules? This is the given volume. Divide this given volume by molar volume, we get mole. Then multiply Avogadro's number with mole, we obtained number of molecules. How many molecules are there in 45 gram of CH4? It is also easy. What is the mass of? This is the important question you will have to think, because when you think you will learn. Do it yourself. If you cannot solve, I will help you, inshallah. See you next time. Next time we will study stoichiometric mass volume and volume relationship.